a little something from the midtown. All of my guys having fun, trying to clown during the summer, especially when we go and play with all the ladies. Tell them what to stay. Now that we got a little more money to spend, night after night until the weekends, we be planning things for barbecuing, chilling and smoking and drinking and waiting for more friends to come out so that we can go swimming. Cannonballs, belly flops, you know what I'm saying? So reminiscing, thinking about the good times. We kick it so drunk and high, but we made it through the night. So when the po-po's harassing, turn the volume down. After they leave, we can blast the sound. Well, to all my friends out there, keep your wheels and don't pay your heels.
Every day doing nothing, that's how it goes. Sitting back, kicking to the flow, getting hoes and rolling a nice ride, sipping hella brewing all night, getting high.
Just today I was kicking with my homie. Just got paid, time to pay. All night long, kick it to the break of dawn at the crib, drinking
Every day having a good time, sitting back as we ride. Come and smoke right by my side, my niggas steadily getting high. Hella blazing, spin on that weed. Every day always in need, rolling us wishes, lilies. Kicking back at the crib, getting fucked up with my guys. I'm so assed out, I can't even open up my eyes. Seagulls and brandy, sipping up on BUDs, drinking down that 40 and a bottle of OE. Rollers in the bogies, kicking smooth up with the homies. Me and my crew, drinking brew, watching for the police. We got a booty calls in the party pack, and no party pack. As we kicking back, never whack, we never slack. We keep shit lit up, we tear my shit up. I got my true ass homies with me, ain't nothing better. Never a day, yo, we need to stay sober. I'll party with my guys for life until my life is over. Every day doing nothing, that's how it goes. Sitting back, kicking to the flow, getting hoes and rolling a nice rides, sipping hella brewing all night, getting high.
It's just the other day I was kicking with my homie, smoking weed, playing hay every fucking day.
Oh, good stuff. Good stuff. Oh yeah, baby. Talking about last 12, baby.